Cyclone Hamoon has started making landfall along the coast of Bangladesh and is expected to weaken into a deep depression within the next 6 hours. The cyclonic storm Hamoon over coastal Bangladesh lay centered at 5:30 hours IST of 25th October, about 40 km southeast of Chittagong, Bangladesh. The weather department said today, adding that it was proceeding with a wind speed of 80 to 90 km per hour, gusting to 100 km per hour. The IMD posted on X. Hamoon is predicted to move north-eastwards and weaken into a deep depression during the next 6 hours and further into a depression during subsequent 6 hours. On Tuesday, a storm warning cage number 2 was mounted at Pamban Port in Rameshwaram to warn fishermen about the severe cyclonic storm Hamoon over the Bay of Bengal, port officials said. Odisha administration had on Monday put all urban local bodies on alert in view of the formation of cyclonic storm Hamoon in the Bay of Bengal. Meanwhile, the severe cyclonic storm Tej over coastal Yemen weakened into a cyclonic storm at 11:30 IST on October 24. The Met Department stated on Tuesday that it will move further west-northwestwards and weaken into a depression during the next 6 hours. Also, light to moderate rainfall is very likely at many places, with isolated heavy rainfall over Mizoram on October 25th. Light to moderate rainfall is likely at many places over Mizoram and Tripura for Thursday. Light to moderate rainfall is very likely at many places over Nagaland, Manipur and East Arunachal Pradesh on Wednesday and Thursday. The cyclonic storm Hamoon has been named by Iran. The word Hamoon is a Persian word that refers to inland desert lakes or marshlands. They are formed as natural seasonal reservoirs in areas adjoining the Helmand Basin.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.